Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen very clearly up to pattern number 51. In today's session, we are going to talk about pattern number 52. What is this pattern? Very simple. Whatever we have done in the previous case, reverse I need to take. That is, here we started from 1 to up to 5 rows. But now I want to take from 5th row. That is what, if you observe the format, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4. Next I want to print 1, 2, 3. Next I want to print 1, 2. Next I want to print 1. Like that I need to print. Let's see how to do this. So for I in the range, so anyway spaces is also required. Okay, spaces also required, but previously we have taken j, right? Now you can see the same format, but instead of printing from first row to fifth row, we have to print from fifth row to first row. How to do that? Here I am going to take 6. No, fifth row 5 only I am taking, and here I will take 0, but step value is -1. So what this loop is going to generate? It will generate the values like a fifth row, then fourth row, then third row, then second row, then first row. We are going to get these values. Except that, nothing. Okay. Now let us see really whether we are getting those outputs or not. Yes, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then 1. Like this we are getting. So this is nothing but how we can able to generate a pattern like this. Okay. Hope you understood this particular concept. Okay. Thank you.